Here's a quick tip about your InterNACHI membership dashboard related to your company logo. Go to nachi.org, top right corner, log in, scroll down that page to Profile and Settings. The next page, you'll scroll down to Company Logo and you click that button, and this is where you upload your company logo into your InterNACHI membership dashboard. Now, where do you get a logo? You go to nachi.org/marketing, and the marketing team will design a new logo for you. Click Design Services and look at the Logos link, and these are logos that the InterNACHI membership marketing team has designed for InterNACHI certified professional inspectors. And all the design work is free. Don't have your cousin design your business logo. Don't download the logo from the internet. That isn't any good. So all of the logos here were designed for certified professional inspectors, and all of that work was for free. All these inspectors did was order a box of business cards or some flyers, and we designed those logos for them. Those are really good looking logos. Now, where do you put your logo? Again, on your business card, on your flyer, brochure, and on your website. I have mine on my website. Go to bigbeninspections.com, click Schedule Now button, and there's my logo, which was designed by the InterNACHI marketing team. And I have that logo on my business cards and my website. Where do you get a great website? Go to nachi.org/website. And FastSite for You designed my website. And InterNACHI's official vendor for home inspector website designs is FastSite for You. Alicia Gromicko is the owner of FastSite for You, and she's a certified professional inspector. And FastSite has attained the InterNACHI Superior Service Seal because they only serve InterNACHI members. Again, you update your company logo in your membership dashboard. Where do you get a logo? nachi.org/marketing. The marketing team will design that logo for you, and that logo design work is free. You upload that logo onto your website. Where do you get a great website? nachi.org/website. FastSite for You will design your website for you. And that is your quick tip for your InterNACHI membership dashboard related to your company logo.